morning, boys and girls, friends, enemies, those in between, those unsure, those who are trying to decide. Oh, I haven't got anything to talk about today. I'm just having a ride in the countryside. Not a bad day, still not very warm, about 12 degrees. It's getting there, slowly but surely. And of course, pollen, masses of it. With asthma and sinusitis, what I need is a spaceman's helmet with a filtration unit on the back. Anybody else suffer these woes? Oh, you dirty bugger, throwing up all that shit. Men in lycra. God bless them. I haven't actually got anything, I never do I? I never have anything to talk about. I was talking to a mate, and he was saying he fancied a ride up London. And sorry, no way. I used to love going to London, just riding around, seeing the sights, coffee. But since Genghis Khan has been in charge, if you look at the prices now, even for motorcycles, for Ulez charges, pollution charge, there's so many bloody charges. I really empathise with the people, and they brought it, or trying to bring it right out to the M25. There's an awful lot of objections, complaints and protests about that. And that's a knobbly, horrible little... That and these local district zones. Are we sure we're still a British country? Are we perhaps heading more for totalitarian rule? I don't know. It all seems... Oh, look at this bloody mud and dust on the road. A lovely dry day, and then you get the road covered in fine dust. I don't know. I despair. I feel sorry for the next generation coming up, because they will inherit all sorts of financial costs that don't really need to be there. Are you in one of these zones, these neighbourhood zones, or in the outer part of London now having to start paying bloody silly charges? I don't know. I have no idea. It robs your freedom. Look at the sign, see where I'm going. It's taking away our personal liberties, our personal decisions. Now, don't get me wrong, I agree with lowering pollution, but extreme penalties is not the way. Maybe the neighbourhood units are, I don't know, but then you've got tradesmen who have to get to work, and mothers who are going to work, and the shop and the school. We can't all walk. I mean, my example is I could never walk to my local shop 3 miles, not with my arthritis. That's the closest one for getting essentials. So, pretty little village, turn it into a neighbourhood zone and everybody's screwed. So it must be very similar to some of these towns. There are a lot of towns I know that won't have a local amenity. And let's be honest, bus services are disgustingly bad and overpriced. I remember when buses used to be cheap. In fact, I started off as a bus driver and fares were really cheap. Where are we going? Rettendon? Langdon? I don't know. Oh no, Sandon. Where the hell's Sandon? I know I would have been up this road and I recognise it. Basically I'm lost. I haven't been down this road for bloody years. What do you think of these Ulez zones? Are you a fan of them? Let me know. I mean I just avoid them. I can't talk on the politics or how the locals feel. It just makes me so sad that I can no longer go places I wanted to go without incurring a hell of a lot of cost, and that just doesn't. I mean, it's enough that we pay road tax and nobody, or whatever, and nobody ever looks after the roads. A wee bit of an update. As you can see, front forks off, do the seals. There's a bit of oil on one of them, so might as well do both seals. So just got to wait for those to arrive. See, I don't sit around all day drinking tea.